Hey, welcome to the Street Sense group chat.
We post daily videos to help make money stuff make sense.
Okay, who's got 2 thumbs and 2 shoes?
A lot of people.
Yeah.
Yeah, most people.
This guy.
Oh.
Yeah, I do.
Surprise.
Do you also have over 2 feet worth of shoes?
2 feet worth of shoes, like end to end?
Or is it like left foot, right foot, 2 feet?
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Well, either way, the answer is yes, I have more than 2 feet of shoes.
Same.
Same.
Okay.
So it's no surprise that we talk about shoes a lot on this channel.
That is true. Today's episode is all about footwear.
Want to start us off in a shoe?
Yes. That was a good one.
Thanks.
Welcome to the Ultimate Shoe Ranking of 2023. This is Adam.
Hi.
He's a shoemaker and he's going to teach us a few things about quality and craftsmanship.
Let's shop.
This is the Reebok Club C Extra. What do we think?
I want to see if this insole comes out.
Why is that a bonus?
Then you can change it, or if it gets old and compressed, you can get a new one. Material back here on the heel often tears, and it's very hard to replace. I give it a 3 out of 5.
Converse All-Star, but the platform.
I love Converse because cotton is so breathable. These are air holes to keep your foot cool.
Ideal for people with sweaty feet.
And easy to clean. Because this isn't stitched, sometimes the sole will separate. Not too bad of a fix though. I give them a 4.5 out of 5.
Okay, Adidas Gazelles.
The back of this shoe is made out of a really solid material, so it seems like it's gonna hold up. The texture on this sole makes it difficult to clean. You can use a magic eraser, but it'll take you a while. There's a board in here that you wrap the shoe around, and the sole is actually smaller than that board. So it's going to cause problems with fit. Not my favorite. Aesthetically great. Functionally, maybe not. 2 out of 5 for me. I just can't.
Classic New Balance 574s.
Has a good rocker in the front, removable insole, and this thick rubber sole can be replaced and will last you a lot longer than a lot of other shoes. Again, we have this soft material in the back, so if you're prone to ripping up the back heel of your shoes on the inside, this might not be the best choice. I give it a 5 out of 5 because I'm an old soul and I love an orthopedic
Okay,
shoe.
this is the Nike Air Force One Shadow sneaker.
I really like the materials. I love the leather. It's easy to clean. It doesn't have much of a feather, so the shoe might bend here and these stitches might rip, not the tee. I give it a 4 out of 5. Everybody is different. You have to find a shoe that fits your feet and fits your head. Find something that's comfortable, but also matches your personality and your aesthetic.
I love when people have a passion and knowledge about a very specific topic.
Yes.
So cute.
Adam was so much fun to hang out with. He knows so much about shoes. I learned just so much being around him.
Okay, how often should you get new shoes?
I don't know.
I don't know, every 10 years? Every 10 minutes?
I would love every 10 minutes.
That would be great.
We found this stat online and I don't love it.
We sure.
Okay, so it says that your shoes could be expected to last between 8 to 12 months.
What?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Okay, I've had cereal longer than that.
They're not talking about Crocs because those things last forever.
Yeah, that's
That is true,
Right?
which is funny because they almost maybe completely disappeared. Check this out. Do you love Crocs or hate them? I mean, with the collabs with Bieber, Balenciaga, SZA, among others, what used to be a functional but uncool boat shoe is now a fashion statement. But how did we get here? Well, in the early 2000s, Crocs were popular with healthcare and restaurant workers, adults. But wearing them publicly usually meant you were gonna get mobbed. And then around 2009, the brand took a dive, but Crocs were still highly recognizable. Then in 2016, things started to take a turn. British designer Christian Kane wanted Crocs on his models for London Fashion Week. There was a revival of ugly fashion on the horizon, and all of a sudden, quirky and weird were cool again. And Crocs made sure collaborating was easy. Pretty much anything went and goes. Then cue the pandemic, and fashion was all about comfort. Crocs has found a new and young audience on social media thanks to the colors and gibbets. Honestly, could this be one of the greatest fashion comeback stories ever? Crocs wants to reach at least $5 billion in annual sales by 2026. They want to be leaders in molded innovation and keep expanding. But that's pretty bold considering high gas prices, supply chain issues, general, inflation. So how do we feel?
It's interesting because the biggest change was really the marketing. The actual shoe pretty much stayed the same.
That's true. They thought their main audience was just boaters, but it was more than boaters.
Kind of makes you wonder if there's any products out there that are really kind of weird today, but maybe will be super popular in 10 years.
That is interesting. Also, did you know they're called Crocs after crocodiles because they can be used in the water and on land,
Oh.
like a crocodile.
I thought
That's
it was
kinda
'cause
cool.
They were cute like crocodiles.
Oh.
Anyway, here's some facts about Uggs and also not Uggs.
How is this dupe even legal? I heard that the Cushionaire boot on Amazon.ca is a great fake for the classic mini Uggs. Let's take a closer look.
Stitching.
Both look similar, but definitely better quality on the Uggs.
Outside feel.
Very similar.
Sole.
Both look and feel solid, but Uggs have their trademark treadlite sole.
Lining.
Cushionaire uses faux shearling and Uggs use sheepskin. The lining density feels the same, but the Uggs are softer.
Comfort.
Both were really comfy, but the Uggs have that signature foot-hugging feeling on the first wear. To the eye, I mean, they're almost identical. So how is it legal for a dupe this similar to even happen? If Cushionaire had included an Uggs logo or copied trademark features like the original sole, that would be a counterfeit. They'd be trying to fool you into thinking that the fake was real. And that is illegal. But it's completely legal for brands to produce products that have similar designs and features to an original, as long as they aren't trying to sell it as the real thing with a logo and trademarks. I like dupes if I can't afford an original, but it always feels really great to support originality and creativity. Are you team original or team dupe?
There was a great point in the comments too about how it's not always the quality of the dupe that might get someone to buy.
Yeah, I would imagine though it was because they were cheaping out and not for ethical reasons.
Probably.
But somebody trying to shop for ethical shoes probably doesn't mind.
That's fair.
True. That would make them an ethical goody two shoes. Huh? Huh? Okay, we're done.
Yeah, you can check us out on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
Bye!